Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to learn how you can turn on or enable sensitive content on your X app. X app, previously known as Twitter, helps you connect with the world by sharing contents, joining public conversations, and so much more. So without further delay, let's get straight into the video. After its rebranding, the logo has been changed into an X icon, which might not still be available in all devices like mine, but regardless, open the X app. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now tap on the profile icon on the top left and then tap on the settings and support on the bottom. You'll then see options for settings and privacy and help center. Tap on settings and privacy. Similarly, in the fifth option, you'll find privacy and safety. Tap on that and you'll be leaded to your X activity. Then tap on contents you see, and after that you'll see an option to enable the display media that may contain sensitive content. Tap on the small notch on the top right corner and now the X app will also include sensitive contents on your page. So if you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and also leave a comment below.